Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is your host Varun Sharma. I'm 5x certified Salesforce developer having more than 3 years of experience, and in this video I'll be guiding you how you can get started with Salesforce as a beginner. So the first thing we should know is what is Salesforce. So Salesforce is a cloud-based SaaS software, that is software as a service platform. It's a CRM, customer relationship management, that helps businesses of all sizes manage their customer interaction and data in a more organized and efficient way. It offers a variety of tools and features for sales and marketing, customer service, analytics, including lead and opportunity management, email marketing, customer tracking, and customizable dashboards and reports. So, Salesforce is a popular CRM platform used by businesses across industries, from small startup to large enterprises. So, now we have a little brief about Salesforce. The next thing we need to know is Salesforce Trailhead. So, what is Salesforce Trailhead exactly? So, Salesforce Trailhead is an online learning platform that provides interactive and self-paced tutorials for people who want to learn about Salesforce and its various products. It offers a variety of range of courses and learning paths from beginner to advanced, covering topics such as sales, marketing, customer services, and more. Trailhead provides a fun and engaging learning experience through gamification, where learners earn badges and points for completing modules and projects. The platform also offers hands-on learning with interactive exercises and challenges, allowing learners to apply what they have learned in real life scenarios. So Trailhead is actually free to use, and learners can across access the platform from anywhere, at any time or any device. Additionally, Salesforce provides certification based on Trailhead learning path, which can be used to demonstrate proficiency in Salesforce product and increase the job opportunities. So these two things we need is to get started with Salesforce as a beginner. So yeah, once we know what is Salesforce, what we are diving into, and from where exactly we can learn Salesforce. So that's our resource path, that is trailhead.salesforce.com. So you can visit this website, and here you can see the sign up button. Once you click on this button, there will be a form that you need to fill, or you can simply sign in with your Google credentials. So here you can see I can log in with my Google credentials. I have already created the account. So yeah, once you sign up, they'll ask for some basic details. So I've already created the account, so it's directly logged me in. So here I can go to my profile, Trailblazer account, and I can see what all badges and how much points I have gathered until now. So I can click on profile, and here I can see my details. So as you can see, I have completed 235 badges, and these are my points, and 23 tails I have completed as of now. You can see my certification that I have completed. So that's all for the video. In this next video, we'll be covering how to use Trailhead and how to complete modules and earn badges. Also, how to create dev environment where we'll be doing all the configuration and customization. So we will be uploading a series of videos on Salesforce learning path. So stay tuned if you want to learn Salesforce. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.